Legal fight over documents seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida home is now in Atlanta. Channel 2's Richard Elliott live outside the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, where today Trump's attorneys, Richard, they filed a response.
Yeah, and the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals here behind me in downtown Atlanta, they're going to have to decide if there should be a special master in this case, going through each document to see if the Justice Department can use them. But today's Trump's attorneys characterized this whole case as nothing more than a document storage issue spiraling out of control. Donald Trump's attorneys filed these documents with Atlanta's 11th Circuit Court of Appeals Tuesday in response to the Justice Department's appeal of the decision to appoint a special master in the Mar-a-Lago document seizure case. Trump's attorney called the investigation, quote, unprecedented and misguided, and referred to this case as a, quote, document storage issue that has spiraled out of control. The Justice Department insists any delay caused by the special master could hurt national security, something Trump's attorneys denied. Former DOJ attorney, now Georgia State law professor Eric Siegel thinks the creation of a special master was a judicial mistake.
A judge should not be able to halt a criminal investigation that was conducted pursuant to a lawful warrant.
This comes just a day after Trump himself criticized Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis's investigation into possible election interference, and in particular, Trump's phone call to Georgia's Secretary of State, where Trump insisted he find nearly 12,000 votes. Quote, she is basing her potential claims on trying to find a tiny word or phrase that isn't there during an absolutely perfect phone call concerning widespread election fraud in Georgia. Multiple federal and state investigations prove there was no widespread voter fraud in Georgia.
Not at all. It's pretty irrelevant.
In an exclusive interview with Channel 2's Mark Winnie, Willis dismissed Trump's criticism and says it's not affecting the special grand jury's investigation. Some members of Trump's inner circle, including Sidney Powell and his former chief of staff Mark Meadows, are scheduled to testify in the next 2 weeks. Willis says the special grand jury is continuing to do its job.
It's proceeding well. We are continuing to call witnesses, and the group is attentive.
Former Trump campaign advisor Boris Epshteyn is scheduled to testify before that grand jury tomorrow. Sidney Powell on Thursday. Mark Meadows next week. We are live in downtown Atlanta. Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.